Hello friends, after learning about the important price points like open, high, low and close, we can easily summarize the trading action of a given time period. If you're still wondering what type of price points should I talking about, then I request you to check out this video in the I button. Now let's get started. And if you are hear this voice for the first time, don't forget to press the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to get interesting finance and share market videos. Now we could move forward to the charts that can display these 4 price points in a comprehensible way. If you don't know a proper charting technique, then it seems too complex for a beginner. But don't worry, if you follow this process of mine, it seems like walking in a park. We all know that each trading day has 4 data points, that is OHLC. But if we look in 10 days of charts, we have to visualize 40 points. Now just imagine you are looking at 6 months or 1 year chart. Now you may seem it's impossible in this way, but I want to clarify you that it is absolutely impossible. So what should you do now? Now remember what type of chart should you use in your life? It may be column chart, pie chart or line chart. But we can't use them for technical analysis. Why? Because they can only show one price point. So we need to take help from our Japanese friends. There is a Japanese candlestick chart that can show 4 price points. This is a picture of Japanese candlestick. If you are thinking about its color or design, then wait a while. I will describe this in details. And it's the foundation of all technical analysis, so listen it carefully. It is going to be a very important part for our journey. But before jumping into this topic, let's learn about a bit of history of this candlestick. As its name suggests, it's originated from Japan and discovered in early 18th century by a rice merchant named Homa Munihesha. It comes to the Western world in the time of 80s by Steve Nielsen during a conversation with his Japanese colleague. That's enough for history. Now let's understand the anatomy of the candlestick. The candles can be classified as bullish or bearish. If you don't know about the bull or bear, then check out this video. The color of bullish candle is green or blue, and the color of bearish candle is red or black. First, look into a bullish candle. Here this is the open price, this is the close price, this is the high price, and this is the low price. There are basically 3 components. Number 1, the central body. Here this rectangular shape that connect the open and the close is known as the real body or central body. Number 2, the upper shadow. It connects the close and high price. Number 3, the lower shadow. It connects the open and low price. Let's understand this with an example. This is the OHLC value of a stock. Open equal to 60, high equal to 70, low equal to 55 and close equal to 68. The candlestick is look like this. Here is 60, here 70, this is 55 and this is 68. Then look into a bearish candle. Here everything remains same, only the open and close price position changed. Here this is the close price, this is the open price, this is the high and this is low. Like the previous one, it also has 3 components. This is the body, this is the upper shadow and this is the lower shadow. Let's understand this with an example. This is the OHLC value of a stock. Open equal to 456, high equal to 470, low equal to 420 and close equal to 435. Now I hope it's clear to you, but your task is not over. Take a pen or pencil and draw the candles of these three OHLC value. Number 1, open equal to 430, high equal to 444, low equal to 418 and close equal to 425. Number 2, open equal to 445, high equal to 455, low equal to 438 and close equal to 450. And the last one, open equal to 445, high equal to 455, low equal to 430 and close equal to 436. And let me know which one is bullish and which one is bearish in the comments. That's for this video, guys. In our upcoming video, we discover the different types of candlesticks and what they indicate. So don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and press that bell icon to get notified. If this video had any value to your life, hit that big fat like button and share this video to your family, friends and colleagues. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.